What investment advice do you have for people starting in the workforce?
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and financial advisor Chris Barry.
If I had a 17 and 20-year-old who were entering the workforce, what I would teach them is what I call the order of money. Understanding what is the best type of money. The best type of money is free money. What is free money? This is your employer match. So if you have someone entering their workforce and their employer offers a match, tell them to take the full match. That's free money. Even if it goes into a qualified account, that is free money. The second best type of money right now, if you think taxes are going up in the future, is money that's tax-free. This would be contributing to a Roth if you can. Maybe a Roth 401k if the employer offers a Roth 401k. If you're saving for these people, think of a 529, which has to be used for education. Things like health savings account that has to be used for healthcare. And then things like cash value life insurance, which grows tax-free. Third best is taxable accounts. This would just be like your brokerage account. Fourth would be tax-deferred money. So money that you pay tax when you pull the money out. Understand that the best type of money is free money. The worst type right now is tax deferred because we know taxes are going up in the future. Taxable money right now is taxed at capital gains, which might grow at 20%. Tax-free money is going to be taxed at 0%. Biggest problems I see with retirees these days is they're diversified in terms of their investments, but I would stress to this upcoming generation of looking at tax diversification. Understand that we have these different tax buckets. We have tax-free money, taxable, tax deferred. A lot of the families I sit down with as we're talking about retirement, they have all of their money, all of their savings in these tax deferred accounts. So what I would say is that if someone is starting out, try to look at spreading out where we're saving the money. And especially right now, I'm focusing on money that's tax free.